Hello, I'm Susanna Potter, and today we are learning, what are we learning? Three Little Birds by Bob Marley, as part of the reggae section of the project. So yeah, we'll just get straight into it. Ooh, that started it. Ooh. Yeah, it's very sort of repetitive, same as the last reggae song I learnt. But what's sort of different from that is there's a lot more sort of elements to it. You know, there's a lot of, you know, like going up here, and then there's like this stuff here. Whether the other one, whereas the other one was just sort of octaves. I can't even play it. But yeah. So I'll just continue to work through the rest of the song. So I've finished the song, pretty much just the same sort of structure throughout. But yeah, I really like this one. I think it's got, I love this here. I love it. Not much else to say really. I mean, I love this bass line. I like these reggae ones. They are simple, but they're really good. So I think it's been really useful to learn this song and the other reggae song I've learnt. But yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.